Guys, so I wanted to do a specific video today focusing on acne prone skin and the products that could be used to maintain a healthy skin and prevent acne and pimples in future. So also I'll mention the timestamp here so you could skip to the part you're interested in, but I'd suggest you watch a full video so that you don't have half knowledge or wrong information. I wanted to make it simple, so I have found 4 products that is suitable for oily and acne prone skin, and all of these 4 products are something you should be using in your skincare routine. Like, I have one sunscreen, one face wash, one face mask, and an active. Whether you're going to use the product that I'm going to mention in this video or whether you use your own, but the thing is, it's important that you use this kind of products in your routine. Don't go on with your day by just using body soap on your face. Just stop that.
Okay.
It is a transparent gel form with a purple and white colored micro beads in it. It doesn't create the foaming effect, by the way, which I'm trying to see. These beads I'm trying to crush. Hope you can see it in the camera how these beads are just turning into almost like a powder form. I believe that's supposed to penetrate your pores and pimples, basically any impurities it can penetrate. The consistency is not thick and not runny, just in between. The fragrance of the face wash is very refreshing and soothing. I have normal skin right now. I used to have extremely oily skin, but still my T-zone becomes oily, and that further leads to acne sometimes, and that's what exactly happened with me. I got pimple on my chin. Right now it's gone, but it was like right a week before my friend's engagement. And basically this face wash is meant for oily and acne prone skin. It's a soap free formula, that's why it doesn't create like foam or bubbles. It lathers really well, smells somewhat nice. I mean, I'm not fan of skincare, I'm not fan of fragrance in skincare, but that is my personal preference. If it doesn't break you out, the fragrance in skincare, you definitely don't need to focus on that. Just a little quantity removes all oil. It feels like it removes dirt and makes the skin clean. I have used it without removing my makeup with a makeup cleanser once, and this one did a pretty good job at that. However, I don't recommend not using a makeup cleanser. Definitely don't skip that step. I'm currently using it twice daily for past 10 days now, and this few uses gave me moderately good result. My skin is pimple free now as of now. Obviously I've used pimple cream as well to minimize my pimples, so that's just need to be taken into consideration. I wet my face first and take a little amount with a little water on my palm first, and walk up and lather and massage on my face and neck with a circular motion or upwards motion, and rinse off with clear water, and then I would pat it dry. This micro beads in this face wash also works effectively on the blackheads, though I don't have many blackheads or whiteheads to compare with right now. But I mean, I don't have before and after condition to prove it, but I would definitely say that it helps me in controlling oil and minimizing existing pimple. It also helps in preventing future breakouts in large extent, but that's still a long shot since I have used it for about 10 days only. So far so good. It contains tea tree oil, which ensures antibacterial actions against bacteria common to pimple prone skin, and I think that works. It contains aloe vera, which has natural healing and soothing properties, reduces swelling, and it also reduces redness around acne. It contains vitamin E that nourishes your skin, obviously, removes oil, dirt, impurities completely. It's gentle on the skin. Microbeads works as a mild exfoliator, I think. I mean, when you feel it breaking into powder, it doesn't feel harsh or anything, but it sure does feel like something is moving underneath when you're rubbing it on your face. Recommended by dermatologist. I mean, I was happy to learn that actually. And it gives instant fresh and oil-free skin. A little goes long way. Does not dry out the skin also like those generic drugstore product. It's travel friendly. Yeah, it doesn't leak. I've tried it, it doesn't leak. Cons would be, I found it's bit expensive for 70-gram quantity, but that doesn't bother me as it's available on several sites online. The most trusted source for this, however, is found on eMegaMart. I'll link the product below, so don't worry about that. Also, I am not sponsored. They haven't sponsored me. I don't get any commission if you buy this product. So all honest reviews here. Buy it if you want. Salicylic acid has so many benefits for your skin. In fact, many skincare product contains certain percentage of acid that helps you get a radiant, supple, fresh skin. Why I love this salicylic acid is because it's perfect for hyperpigmentation. It's great for exfoliation, prevents wrinkles, and goodbye pimples. After packaging, and this mouth of the tube comes sealed, so you are assured that it is a new product. The packaging is quite light and compact, and it's perfect for traveling. The gel is clear with no scent. Gel has to be used after cleansing your face. I just take a pea-sized amount of gel and apply it on my acne and blemishes. So basically a spot treatment. It absorbs almost instantly without leaving any sticky or greasy residue behind. It does not give any tingling sensation, and it feels extremely light on the skin. It's a bit drying, so make sure that you apply a separate moisturizer after it, because you know you need hydration. After all, this kind of leaves your skin bit dry because it works more of on exfoliation. You can see me applying it on my spots and places where I feel like I need chemical exfoliation, mostly my T-zone. It spreads easily and then it forms like a layer. You can feel, you can see my skin escaping here, right? Use this in two ways: spot treatment and chemical exfoliator. In both ways it works wonders. It can work a little slow if you apply it on a completely grown pimple, so I would suggest to apply it whenever you see your pimple or acne first. As a chemical exfoliator, I use this in AM routine before my moisturizer, and I only apply few dots on my face, spread it, and I make sure to moisturize after. I do this once a week for chemical exfoliation part, and I make sure not to mix this with any physical exfoliator like scrubs. Gel lightens the redness and reduces the size of pimple within a day of using it. It can be applied 2-3 times daily, but I use it twice a day. I'm talking about spot treatment. It contains salicylic acid and nicotinamide gel, aloe vera, vitamin B3. Those are extremely good in treating pimples and acne. It does show visible difference with a regular usage. Good texture, easy to use, gets absorbed easily, no scent, shows visible difference with a regular usage, lightens redness in a day only, controls and soothes pimple, suits oily and acne prone skin, non-comedogenic, travel friendly packaging, and reasonably priced. Yeah. Cons, if there are any cons, that would be it might work slowly on full grown pimples. I do have some tips though. Use it twice a day to get optimum result. Initially only use it on pimples or acne or redness, and then move to more larger areas like your T-zone or your problem areas basically. So do a spot treatment first and then exfoliation kind of way. Don't forget to follow it up with a moisturizer, as it tends to dry out your skin a little bit. Don't let the pimple get huge. Apply it as soon as you feel the pimple is, you know, popping up. Just when it's red, do it. 30-gram tube, it cost about 220 rupees. Shelf life is 36 months, and you can buy it on eMegaMart. This mask contains cucumber, which is considered to reduce inflammation and appearance of acne. Its another key ingredients is aloe vera and sandal, known for natural healing and soothing properties to reduce swelling and redness of your acne. The tea tree oil has all the antifungal properties, which further heals the skin. Moreover, vitamin E and turmeric nourishes and brightens your skin within, which all of you Indians know because of those DIY turmeric pack. Don't do that. Use dermatologically tested products. The color of this face pack is beige, almost like a gray to be honest, and the consistency is absolutely perfect. A face pack neither very thick or runny, therefore it glides easily on my face, and because of its natural ingredients, it has this fresh fruity smell, absolutely refreshing and soothing fragrance that lingers for quite some time. It gives you tingling sensation during the application, but it's normal, so don't worry about it. This mask comes out easily, leaving fresh and bright skin. I use this mask 3 days in continuous, and then again for today. I also use this Esmed face wash to double the effect, just so you know. After using this mask, it noticeably helped reduce the pain and redness of my pimple. I clean my face and neck first and then apply this evenly all over my face and neck, avoiding the area around my eyes and mouth. I let this dry and let the ingredients penetrate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, do all the other things that are good in your life, like hydrate, play with your cat, you know, all those important things in life. The mask immediately dries out, just starts cracking immediately after 2 minutes of applying. The tingling sensation wasn't unbearable, but just something that you feel, so make a note of it if you have sensitive skin. After about 15 minutes, I'll wash it off with water and then I would pat it dry. Attractive packaging, pocket friendly, skin feels healthier and brighter, smells good, almost therapeutic for me. Contains tea tree oil, which ensures antibacterial actions against bacteria common to pimple acne prone skin. It contains aloe vera, which has natural healing and soothing property. It also reduces swelling and redness because of aloe vera. And yeah, it controls oils effectively for the whole day, the day you apply it. Yeah, so that's a good thing. If you're going to be in event all day, just apply this in the morning before your makeup. It gives cooling effect instantly. Contains vitamin E that nourishes your skin, gives instant fresh and oil free skin, does not dry out the skin, and it's travel friendly. Applying sunscreen is the least interesting routine for me. I know it might sound strange to you, but yeah, it is. I generally apply it only on sunny days, as it's supposed to protect my skin from the sun. But yeah, please include sunscreen in your daily skincare routine. I'm planning on being strict with myself about it too. What I like about this sunscreen is that it is not only non-oily and non-greasy product, but it also acts as a primer when I apply this gel evenly on my face and all exposed area of my body before like 20-30 minutes the exposure of the sun, and I reapply it after every few hours, just like any other sunscreen. I massage it into my skin very gently and until it vanishes. Make sure to not go too close to your mouth or eyes. Some of the ingredients in it can irritate those eyes. It feels light and doesn't feel like a layer over any product. It's not greasy like other physical sunscreen in the market that I loved, but now this is my jam. I like this especially for my swimming class or gym, where there would be excessive sweating in the gym as well, right? So it's a water resistant, and trust me, it's water resistant. It doesn't say if it's sweat proof or not, but I feel like it does very good job at controlling that as well. Earlier I said that I use this as my primer. What I mean was that I know this product doesn't let any other product out or in. My skincare product underneath are sealed, and my makeup won't penetrate in my skin and fill up all my pores with all the makeup residue. I hear a lot of dermatologists recommended this sunscreen when you have like melanin or like a sunspot, meaning it's not only prevents it, also helps reduces those skin condition caused by sun damage. I think that's a good green light for anyone who's looking for dermatologically tested and recommended product. It protects you from UVA, UVB. You're like, yeah man, that's the minimum requirement of any sunscreen. I know. Wait, it also protects from blue light and IR and pollution agents. That's what it's called, but it protects from pollution in general. It's non-greasy, non-oily, lightweight. It is dermatologically tested. I am never able to pronounce that name properly. Dermatologically tested. Cons would be, I see how this can look expensive. comparatively other products, so that could be a con. I don't mind it. Alright guys, so that's about it for today's product review video. Definitely go check out all the other products review I'll be mentioning in description box, or probably check out the playlist that is somewhere showing on the screen. Go through my playlist and check if you already own any product that I have reviewed, so you'll have better idea on how to use that product and to, you know, get maximum benefit from that product. So make sure to do that, and I will see you again. See you. Bye. Wait, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. That's the place where I am continuously posting about my life, about skincare, about fashion, about makeup. So if that's something you are even remotely interested in, maybe check it out. Bye.